Perplexity video, I'm just going to debunk to you guys what are the differences between Perplexity Computer versus Claude Code. So I'm a both paid user for both Perplexity as well as Claude as well. So I use different software for different reasons. So I'm just going to tell you guys more. So when I get access to the Perplexity Computer back in March, because I'm a pro user of Perplexity Computer, I paid an annual for it. I was really excited because I was given about I think 4,000 credits, but it is quite disappointing because out of the 4,000 credits that have given me, it exhausts pretty fast the tokens, and I couldn't do much with just like 4,000 credits. And out of the entire experiment, this is my findings. I only use Perplexity if you want to do like research. Perplexity is to me is number one in research, better than Google at this juncture. I do not know whether like a few months later, maybe Google pick up and it may be my another companion, better companion again. So I use Perplexity in terms of research because the researching is pretty fast. I get my answers very fast and all is real time. But Claude, they can do like the live research, but it is going to take you some time. So that's why if let's say you're talking about doing like research and even writing some articles based on like a live website research, I will actually pick Perplexity Computer. Not Perplexity Computer, but Perplexity. But if let's say you're talking about using Perplexity Computer and Claude Code, Perplexity Computer is just not worth it because the tokens exhaust very fast. If you want to get access to the Perplexity Computer just to write a lot of codings and to automate a lot of stuff, you might as well pay the $20 to Claude Code. The only reasons that I'm still subscribing to Perplexity is because of the research function. It's never about the computer function and anything else because it's just too expensive. And then one thing is that they do not disclose how much tokens that you're going to use per task. But Cloud Code is pretty, at least a little bit transparent. I get to use it to create a lot of mini apps. And of course, I'm also subscribing to Pro as well, only like $20 per month. So I only get to access to a certain stage. And if my tokens have exhaust, so at least Cloud will actually ping me like, hey, you know what, your tokens will reset again like in 2 to 3 hours later on, which I can still use it back. So in terms of the same $20 that I'm paying for, if I want to use it to wipe code or to write any like mini apps or any codings, I will actually pick Claude Code. The only $20 I'm paying to Perplexity is just for the research base. So another differences is that you want to know is like Perplexity Computer is like a real-time web searches, but Claude Code it doesn't have, it's off by default. And it has like a Perplexity Computer has like 19 models and Claude is just go to the Claude. Okay. This is the most important thing for me because Perplexity Computer, they don't actually disclose how much of tokens that you're going to use per task, but at least Claude is much more cheaper and you get to know like after you have exhausted, your tokens will reset in a certain day. They will let you know. And Perplexity, in terms of coding, I feel like it's only good for like MVPs. Um, minimal viable products, but for Claude Code, I use it day in day out to organize my folders in my computer, to build mini apps. I can use it via the terminal and CLI. And if let's say you are really first time on it, so do not worry because those terminal and CLI is pretty easy to set up. It's not too difficult with so many different resources that you can easily find on YouTube videos and know how to do it. So Perplexity Computer runs on 24/7, meaning because it's cloud based, right? But Cloud Code is only session based. But to be honest, I don't mind because Perplexity Computer is really expensive for the tokens that I can build with. And if let's say you guys have been checking out Reddits or like Reddits and any forums, right now I'm recording this in May 26th. A lot of people they are not really happy with Perplexity right now just because that Perplexity is getting more expensive, and then they have been reducing the functionalities to the user as well. Like I can share with you my experience when I sign up for Perplexity Pro. I get to use a lot of times in the in-browser control. There's an in-browser control which Claude has it as well, by the way. So I get to use it a lot and I find it is really useful. That's the reason why I signed up for Perplexity other than just the research function. But then after that, I think somehow in like March or April 26th, they decided to, give a very, put a very, put a limitation on it, which to be honest, I don't really like it. Initially, they have these shortcuts which I can use it very fast, but then they turn it turn it become a skill which you can only use it for Perplexity Computer. So meaning when I first using Perplexity in 2025 versus when I use Perplexity in 2026, I feel like they discount the functionalities in a way. So there is something to take note, but still, I still love the research function in Perplexity. So these are the things to take note. So in my personal point of view, these are the winners and which one to pick. So when you want to build like a full web app, definitely pick Claude Code because Claude Code is so useful. They can help you to like do all the codings inside a folder by yourself, which is very, very convenient. If you want to do research, my number one pick is still Perplexity. Pro is enough. Okay, one thing to take note is that if let's say you sign up in Perplexity, you get to like use like different. I think that is a 19, right? It's a 19 different models. I think this is still uh they are going to use the one that listed down. There are 19 different models that you can use on to, but Claude you only have one model. That's the reason why Perplexity you can still create like image. Okay, so which sometimes I do. As well as in terms of article writing, I like to use Perplexity, especially when it is a very knowledge based, and I want to make sure that it's a like really live is like a web live knowledge. So these are my personal point of view and my personal review after using both Perplexity as well as Claude Code. In terms of how much I'm using daily, I use a lot of searches in Perplexity and I do the codings in Claude. But I feel like if I only have $20 to pay, I will only pay to Claude Code if I only have $20 to pay. If let's say you have like multiple of $20, feel free to subscribe to both because both have served me well. But if only I have one $20, I'll pay for Claude Code for this reason. Because Claude Code, in terms of the researching, can Claude search for live results? Yes, it can. It's just take a little bit more time. So, but then Claude can do a lot more than Perplexity. And the only thing that Perplexity wins is just the research and the image that I use occasionally. But to be honest, image creation you can use like other apps which is free like Gemini, ChatGPT as well. So that's the reason why if I only have $20, I will definitely pay to Claude. I hope that this video help you guys to decide a bit. If let's say you only have like $20, you do not know which one to pay. Yeah. So if let's say you have any questions about Perplexity as well as Claude Code, feel free to um leave your questions down below. I try my best in my capacity in my knowledge to help you guys to decide. And I look if and also I have a lot of different videos about Perplexity use case as well as Claude use case that I'm using in my own business as well as my productivity tool set. So if let's say you want, do check out my YouTube video and to like it, to share it, and I'll see you guys in the next video then. Take care. Bye.